Thank you so much for giving love to our Kali Linux and NetHunter password reset video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset WSL password.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes only.
Let me show you what exactly we are going to do in this video. First of all, log into your WSL. There should be a user. By default, you are logged in too. Just copy the username. Now, let me try to update. Hit enter. As you can see, I'm not able to update because I don't remember the password. Let's reset it. First of all, exit out of WSL and log in as a root user. -U stands for user. Now, let's reset the password for EFXTV in WSL Windows 10. You just have to copy the username. Please do not skip the video because in this video, I'm going to show you something more advanced. Type this command, paste your username, hit enter. Now you can type the new user password. For an instance, you don't know the username you are in. In my case, I have many users over here. I want to check all the users and reset the password for those as well. Run this command to check the list of users in your WSL. Here you can see we have 2 users apart from root have access to bash shell. Now let's change the password for another user as well. Now exit out of WSL and log into WSL as base user. Now let's try to update. And everything is working fine. I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you want to watch such videos, please subscribe and share your views in the comment box. Take care of yours. Have a great time ahead. Thank you so much for visiting EFX TV.